In the heart of the West, a revolution in car care is on the move. Enter Spokane Mobile Detail, your neighborhood's new best friend. Renowned as the finest in the West, we're the team you've seen, known, and loved from that viral video. You know the one. We're not just about sparkling exteriors. We dive deep, ensuring every nook and cranny of your vehicle shines like new. From sedans to SUVs, from motorcycles to monster trucks, we handle them all with expertise and finesse. Remember us, Spokane Mobile Detail, the name synonymous with exceptional dedication and premium service. Reach out, holla at us. Your vehicle deserves the best, and the best is what we deliver every single time. Spokane Mobile Detail. We're not just in the business of detailing. We're in the business of transformation.